Python, first we open Pydroid 3 app. Here we write Python program. First we write print function. Inside the print function we can write anything. Here in print function we write string hello world. So first of all, what is string? Whatever we write inside the single quotes or double quotes is called string. Here hello world is a string because we write hello world inside double quotes. So output of the program is hello world. We can also write hello world in single quotes. Both output are same. But we cannot write double quotes inside double quotes and also single quotes inside single quotes. Let me take example. If we write 1 inside double quotes, so this is not allowed. In output we get syntax error. So how we can remove this error? We use escape sequences. So using escape sequences we can remove this error. These all are escape sequences. I write escape sequences in comment. For comment we use hash symbol. After hash symbol whatever we write is called comment. So here we put 1 backslash both sides like this. And the output is hello one world. So we can remove the error using escape sequences. If we put double backslash, then we get 1 backslash in output. We put double backslash, so we get 1 backslash in output hello world. If we put backslash double quotes, then we get double quotes in output. If we want world in new line, so we put backslash n, so we get world in new line, and backslash t for tab. Now we add two number and then print. 4 plus 4, so output is 8. For float division we use only 1 slash, so output is 1.0. And for integer division we use 2 slash, so output is 1. Now we write exponent term. 2 raised to 3, so output is 8. 4 raised to 3, so output is 64. And for root 2 we can write like this. 2 raised to half, so we get 1.4142 and so on. For round of the value, we use round function. So we get 1.4142. We change 4. So we get output 1.414. Now in the variable we can store integer number, floating number, string, etc. Variable name we take as a number is equal to 12 and then print number. So we get output 12. Now we write string in the variable. We change the variable name as subject. Physics. So here we write subject. So output is physics. Now rule of the variable. In variable name we cannot use special character like $. If I put special character $, before the variable, so this is not allowed. So we get output as error. Before variable we cannot use number. So this is also not allowed. If variable name is long, so we use snake case writing. If variable name is like first number, so we can write like this. So this is called snake case writing and the output is physics. Now we write input function. We take variable name as a first number. Is equal to input function, and inside the input function we write message enter first number, and then we print the variable. Print first number. So we get output enter first number. We enter 13. So it will be print. Now we write more than one input in one line. We take two variable name as n1 and n2 is equal to input. Inside the input we give message enter two numbers, and then we write dot split. So using split function we can add more input, and then we print the variable n1 and 2. In output, enter two numbers, 1, then we give space, then 2. So it will be print. Now we take example of finding the average of three numbers. So we require three variable. First variable name is n1 is equal to integer function. Here we use integer function for converting string into integer number. So in integer function we write input enter first number. Second variable name is n2 is equal to in integer function input and the message is enter second number. And last third variable name is n3 is equal to integer function. Inside the integer function input function we write and the message is enter third number. Then we add these three variable. Total is equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3 and then we divide by 3 is equal to total by 3. Here we use 1 slash, so we get output as a float and then we print ans. So enter first number, we enter number as 1, enter second number 2, enter third number we enter 3. So the average of these three number is 2.0. If I use 2 slash, so we get integer number. Enter first number 1, then 2 and then 3, so we get 2. Using split function we can find the average of three number. We take three variable name as n1, n2 and n3 is equal to input function. Inside the input function we write message enter three numbers and then dot split. Now we add three number. Total is equal to, here whatever we enter number is in the form of string, so we convert into integer form, so we use integer function. Integer and 2, integer and 3. So now these three variable is converting into integer number. Now we divide 3. Divide by 3. Here we use 1 slash, so output we get float number. Then we print enter three number 1 space 2 space 3, then we get 2.0. So here we use 2 slash. So output we get integer number 1 space 2 space 3, then we get 2. Now using the length function we can count the number of characters. First we write variable a is equal to length function. Inside the length function we write hello world, and then we print a. So length of the hello world is 11. If we write physics, so length of the physics is 7. So this is length function. Replace and find method. First we write variable name as string is equal to replace and find method. First we write variable name as string is equal to, in double quotes, Newton second law. Now we replace second as first, so we can write like this. First variable name string dot replace. We replace second as first. Then we print. So output we get Newton first law. Now we change first as third. So in output we get Newton third law. So this is replace method. Now in find method, if we want to find the position number of second word, so we use find method. So we write first string is a variable name, string dot find. We find the position number of second, so we write second and then print. So we get 7. So 7 is the position number of second. Now if we want to find the position number of law, so we get 14. So 14 is the position number of law. Now if else statement. First we write variable x is equal to input enter first number y is equal to input enter second number. Here we use int function, integer function, for converting string number to integer number. Then we write condition if x is equal to y, then print both value are same. and else we write print both value are different. So in output, first we enter first number 12, then enter second number 13. Both value are different. Now again we enter first number 10, then enter second number 10. Both value are same. So this is if else statement and or operator. First we write variable name n1 is equal to 12, n2 is equal to 10. If n1 is equal to 12 and n2 is equal to 10, then and then only print condition true and else print condition false. So we get condition true. Now we change operator or and we change the value n2 is equal to 18. So if any one value is true, then print condition true. So now we get condition true. So this is and or operator. Now while loop. Using while loop we add 1 to 10 numbers. So first we write variable total is equal to 0, then I is equal to 1, while we write condition I less than or equal to 10. So while this condition true, then total is equal to total plus I, and I increase by 1, I plus 1. Last we print total. So we get output 55. For loop. Using for loop we add 1 to 10 number. So first we write variable total is equal to 0 for I in range 1 to 11. If we change 11 to 15, so I in range now 1 to 14. If we write 20, so now I in range 1 to 19. So now we write 11, so I in range 1 to 10. Then total is equal to total plus I, and last print total. So we get 55.